Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video I will be discussing on how to optimize the customer experience using software testing, because these days for any application in that matter, whether it could be a web application or a mobile application, user experience or customer experience is very much is required to keep our customer very much happy. Now we wanted to optimize that customer experience or customer experiences that should be a good whenever they're trying to operate the application. So I'm going to discuss certain ways how we can optimize some of our testing so that we can bring more customer experience as part of our software testing. The first normally what we should do in order to get a optimized customer experience is, first we should understand or define the customer experience. Without knowing what is actually the customer is looking, what is actually their experience they are looking, unless if we do not know those aspects, definitely we cannot bring the right experience to the customer. So because of that, we should have clarity on what is really the customer experience is really required, like what do they really expect from your product or services, and what are their pain points. Also you should listen to the customer and understand your customer needs and expectation while helping you to prioritize the testing efforts. That is a key thing you should do as part of defining the customer experience. And the second thing is, you should develop, after understanding the requirements from the customer which is related to customer experience, you should bring all our test cases or test scenarios surrounded to this customer centric testing or user experience, so that definitely you can win the heart of the customer. And the next one is, once you derive test cases, test scenarios, and get the feedback from the customer as well for those test scenarios, so that that would add lot of value to the customer as well, and customer also will be very happy when they are going to review your experience related to the customer experience. The next step is, you should conduct the performance testing as well. This is one of the key area. Apart from functional testing, even whenever we are seeing a web based or mobile based, the performance is key. If people are not able to access the application within 2 or 3 seconds, people doesn't love your product and they'll exit from your application. So because of that, the performance testing is very crucial for your user experience. And you should also try to adopt A/B testing, where we wanted to see various different options when we are trying to test, and to see with a different version, and what kind of user experience do they really feel, or will they be happy with one version or another version. If we are making that kind of comparison, definitely we can bring a good experience to the customer. And also the next step we should do is, we should continuously monitor and we have to keep optimizing the user experience as well whenever we are trying to do the user experience testing. In conclusion, if you follow all the previous steps, definitely we can ensure we can bring it to the optimizing the overall customer experience, and you can ensure you can definitely meet the needs and expectation of the customer, and helps to build a long-term loyalty as well with the customer. I hope you guys got a clear idea now how to optimize the customer experience while we are doing software testing. If you guys really like this video, please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed, do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.